The heart pumps blood throughout your body to give the energy and oxygen to every cell. It's circulation of blood that is vital to sustaining life. As the blood moves, it pushes against the sides of the artery walls. The strength of this pushing is your blood pressure. How can you tell if you have high blood pressure? Having high blood pressure, or hypertension, is not usually something that you feel or notice. It does not tend to produce obvious signs or symptoms. The only way to know what your blood pressure is to have it measured. Blood pressure is measured in millimeters of mercury and is written as two numbers. What do the numbers mean? The first, or top number, is your systolic blood pressure. It is the highest level your blood pressure reaches when your heart beats. The second, or bottom number, is your diastolic blood pressure. It is the lowest level your blood pressure reaches as your heart relaxes between beats. For example, if your reading is 120/80, your blood pressure is 120/80. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is when your blood pressure is always higher than it should be, and it is usually diagnosed when your levels are always above 140/90 millimeters of mercury. High blood pressure makes the arteries less stretchy and damage the wall of your arteries. This makes it easier for fatty deposits to build up and limits the circulation of blood and oxygen. High blood pressure has no symptoms, and if left untreated, it can lead to heart attack, kidney and blood vessel disease, and stroke. Anyone can have high blood pressure. It can be caused by eating too much salt, drinking too much alcohol, being overweight, or not being active enough. Some effective ways to lower your blood pressure levels. Increase activity and exercise more. Lose weight if you're overweight. Cut back on sugar or refined carbohydrates. Eat more potassium and less sodium. Eat less processed food. Stop smoking. Reduce excess stress. Stay healthy. Dandelion Team.